Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Arboleaf Smart Body Scale. This is not only your typical scale because it also has smart features that allow you to get body fat, BMI, muscle mass, bone mass, body water, all sorts of different metrics, and those are all obtained with this handheld electrode here. It's got a left and a right. You want to grip it with your left thumb here, your four fingers right there. Make sure they aren't touching, and make sure your left hand isn't touching your right hand at all. So you do the same over here with your right hand. This pulls up very high, and you want to stick your arm straight out, and you want to make sure that your arms are at about a 45-degree angle. And you'll do that at the same time as you're standing on these electrodes. And that basically allows a small current to run through your body and measure all these, and all that will pop up on there. And I really like how low-key this scale is. On the back here, there's a spot for 3 AAA batteries, and there's these pads in each corner that move around so this can easily be placed on any kind of surface. So this scale will connect to your phone with Bluetooth, and there is an Arboleaf app that I'll show you in a second here, and that will allow you to view all the metrics. So this thing not only shows the metrics right here once you're done measuring, but it also shows up in the app, and you can keep track of it over time. So you're first going to want to step on the scale, allow it to calibrate, and then pick this up as you step on it. Make sure, again, your hands don't touch. Make sure your thumbs aren't touching your other fingers. Make sure you're barefoot on the scale with each foot over each of those electrodes. Arms straight, about a 45-degree angle. Once your weight comes in, you'll then get these color lights on the scale, and then all your data points will show up. Keep going until the color lights go away. There's a green light now. So basically, everything has connected to the app. So there is all the metrics, about 190 pounds, 25.7 BMI, and you can 4.1% bone mass, match up basically each icon with the values that you see there. So here is my most recent reading. You can actually see your battery life of the scale, which is very nice. And you can see my weight there is prominent. BMI, easy to see. Body fat, easy to see. I'd say those are like the 3 main metrics that people want to use. It gives you 50 analytical reports, so you can scroll through all these, but you get different ratios, different percentages. I like how you can actually see a segmental fat analysis. So this can tell you what you need to work on to cut fat in certain areas. Muscle balance, also very important. Fat analysis, you can see how your values compare to typical values. Details, it shows you a little bit more about the ranges. And it gives you even suggestions. So looking at a change here, you can see my first versus my second. I took these not too long apart, and you can see that the values are almost the same, which shows that this scale has great precision. Overall, I highly recommend the Arboleaf Smart Body Scale. Again, so many different metrics, so many ways to view those metrics and compare them as well as share them. And it works great for any household, nice and compact, very low key, and it looks very stylish as well. Thanks for watching.